Channel letters are made of highly durable materials to form signage components such as alphanumerics and other elements which combine to create a complete signage display. The channel aspect of the channel letter is a deep channel which, when illuminated, channels light throughout the entire letter evenly. A choice of fonts, dimensions, several lighting options, and color are the main aspects of channel letters that, when combined, create unique signage solutions, providing a wide variety of options for signage presentations suitable for both indoor and outdoor areas. City Neon produces three main types of illuminated channel letters. These are front-lit, backlit, and open-face channel letters. Lighting sources used for illuminated channel letters are either neon or LED. Over the next few moments, we will learn how City Neon produces LED front-lit channel letters combined and mounted to create a durable sign product. The sign production process begins in the design phase, where the designer lays out the sign product using a computer with specialized software programs. Each aspect of the sign is drawn to customer specifications, adhering to branding concepts which identify the customer's company when producing brand names and logos, for example. The design is then formatted to a production diagram and taken to the production shop as a blueprint where skilled craftsmen construct the actual sign. The production phase begins with cutting the raw materials from stock that, when assembled, complete the new sign. Several grades of aluminum are used to construct the back and side of each channel letter. A heavy grade acrylic is used for facing. Acrylic facing comes in solid colors, or a variety of colored vinyl graphics are used to create unique color displays, especially for logos and branding elements, when applied to either white or clear acrylic faces. In the production shop, construction of the channel letters begins with cutting the signage faces, sides, and backs from raw material. The craftsmen use a computerized router to precisely cut out the signage faces from acrylic material. Cutting the channel letter sides is a hands-on task. Each channel letter is carefully measured and cut from aluminum stock material. Next, each channel letter is run through a machine which stamps out tabs along one edge that will be used later in the assembly process. The tabs stamped onto the edge of the channel letter side are bent to a 45-degree angle in a process called breaking sides. The channel letter side is placed on an edge-breaking device which bends each tab evenly and simultaneously. Once a side's tabs are bent properly in the breaking process, the side is then attached to the channel letter back, which has been machined out of a heavier gauge aluminum stock material. To ensure safety and durability, each seam is carefully sealed using several sealant compounds. Keeping water and other exterior environmental elements out of the channel letter provides long life and limited maintenance for the interior sign components. Attaching the channel lighting requires the craftsman to prepare the aluminum backing by first carefully cleaning it to enable a strong adherence of the LEDs. Each LED comes pre-packaged with an adhesive material the craftsman uses to place each light into the channel. An individual LED illuminates approximately 6 square inches. Grouping a number of LEDs together provides adequate lighting sources to illuminate the entire channel brightly and evenly. Once the LEDs are properly placed in a channel, the craftsman next installs the jewel to the face of the letter. The jewel is a plastic material that is attached to the acrylic face using an adhesive compound. The jewel will later overlap the side of the channel when the face is attached to the channel letter. Before attaching the faces to the channel letters, each channel letter back and side assembly are first attached to the raceway of the sign and carefully wired to meet Underwriter Laboratories specifications. The raceway is a heavy-grade aluminum box which serves several purposes. First, each channel letter is attached to the raceway to assemble the letters in a proper presentation configuration. Once the channel letters are attached to the raceway, each of them are wired together through electrical components housed in the raceway. The raceway provides the electrical components an environmentally safe and protective area for long life and limited maintenance for even extreme outdoor conditions, including protection from water, ice, and wind. Once the channel letters are mounted and wired to the raceway will finally serve as the foundation of the sign product, which will mount to the exterior of the building, wall, or signage frame where the sign will be publicly displayed. To complete the sign assembly following the wiring phase, the sign is briefly lit to ensure all LEDs are working properly. Lastly, the faces are attached to each channel letter. The jewel is fitted over the edge of each channel letter side and attached to the assembly. The channel letters are also further prepared for weather conditions with several holes drilled in the channel letter side on the bottom of each letter. These holes are called weepers and allow moisture buildup to escape out of the channel. The sign is then finally test lit and prepared to be packaged for customer delivery and installation. City Neon has decades of experience designing and fabricating a wide variety of signage products which exceed customer expectations and uniquely identify very diverse organizations. City Neon is happy to learn about your signage needs and prepared to guide you through from development of your sign to installation. City Neon has got you covered. Call today. Got that done. Yeah.